By the way, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching these videos but are not subscribed to the channel. Hit the like button and subscribe so that you guys know when I'm uploading and so that you guys actually get notified. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be talking about what are the biggest mistakes that guys make that makes them look creepy and that turns women off. All right, and these are mistakes that I've made when I was younger. And because of these mistakes, they kind of overrode because I'm a decent looking guy. You know what I'm saying? So these mistakes that I did when I was younger kind of overrode that I was decent looking and it turned women off. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna tell you what those are. And this sometimes ends up happening where the guys just don't make any female friends, and that's a big sign, right? If you can't keep female friends, it's because you're repulsive. You're doing something that's pushing them away. So let's find out what they are. The first one is that you talk too much. You talk too much and you have no filters. There is nothing wrong with being confident at a club or at a bar, right? But sometimes, or even when you are approaching a girl in the daytime, but guys don't understand that you can bring that skill in normal life. It comes across as creepy, right? And it also comes down to guys are taught to get every girl's number that they meet, right? They are taught. Some guys are taught to close every girl that they meet, even if they're part of their friend group. What happens is that you just get the reputation of the guy who hits on every girl. Dudes don't want to bring girls around you, and girls don't want to bring their girlfriends around you. You're just creepy, especially if you're too aggressive, right? And also, some of you guys just get drunk and get a little belligerent, right? Like your fucking hatred towards women comes out unconsciously, where you just start saying shit, getting angry. All of your repressed anger and frustration towards women just comes out without you even noticing, right? So talking a lot, being too unfiltered, that's a big one. The other one is wanting too much attention and not being okay with being in the background. When you desire too much attention, you just come across as way too much of a tryhard. And that turns women off, right? And these are mistakes that I did when I was younger, right? It's one thing to be social. It's another thing to be somebody who has too much try hard energy. Women can sense that, and they push you away because of that. Another thing is not making eye contact when you talk to people, and talking in a where you're just looking around talking and just you don't make eye contact. They might find you adorable, some women, but but at the end of the day, they're just not gonna find that attractive, right? If you don't know how to make good eye contact, and this sometimes happens when you have Asperger's, which is the same as autism. When you have any levels of autism, a lot of the times those guys just don't like making eye contact, right? And why? Because it's just awkward for them. Another thing, and this is some of you guys might not agree, but this is just how women are. It's not having the right beliefs, right? You gotta know where you are. For example, if you go to a very conservative place and you're somebody who's very liberal, it's okay to be yourself. Say that you're conservative, but you're gonna say that you're liberal, but you're gonna suffer. People are not gonna want to be your friends because they're gonna judge you based on that first. Let people find out your controversial views later on. Don't approach people with your controversial views. Your controversial views about women. Your controversial views about politics. Don't present yourself with them first. Always look at what's the appropriate presentation in the group, and then feed off of that. And over time, as you become established in whatever social circle, start to express those controversial views, but don't start out with them. That turns people off, especially women. Women are always trying to find a reason to eliminate you in a metaphorical way. Women are always trying to find a reason. Thing is, women get creeped out very easily. They get creeped out very easily, and what usually creeps them out is too much masculine energy. So that's the other one. It's that you're too masculine. That means you have this perception of what an alpha male, where he talks a lot, he talks loud, he interrupts, he's always the center of attention, and that type of mindset comes across as rude in normal society. A lot of times, a lot of guys that are doing this just don't understand how they come across. So you might see somebody from the outside and say, yo, how does this guy not know that how much of an asshole he is? In his mind, he thinks he's being alpha. In his mind, he thinks he's being a man's man. And that's a lot of people where they think they're being confident, but they're being too confident, and it's pushing people away, right? And so these are some things that you might be doing inadvertently that maybe making you look kind of creepy, and it turns women off. And also the big one is texting a lot and calling a lot fast before even establishing anything. You don't let the woman come to you. You go to them. Look, when a woman likes you, understand that when a woman likes you, it becomes obvious. Even fucking Stevie Wonder could tell that she likes you. If you don't know if she likes you, most likely she doesn't like you. That's how it works. When they like you, the signs are obvious. All right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys, we're doing 50% off my course, all of my guys' course, Dark Game and the psychological, Dark Game and Nice Guy. We're having a 50% off special. So use the coupon code MINDFUL to get 50% off. I'll see you guys inside. All right, guys, so I want you guys to check out my online course called Dark Game. That's right, people, Dark Game. And this course is pretty much, I review to you the secret tactics, the secret techniques to create attraction in almost any woman, right? But not just attraction to the point that makes her want to see you all the time, where she's the one initiating all the contact, right? Now just imagine to be able to keep all of the girls in your life that you lost because of your stupidity. Imagine, and I had stupidity too. Imagine being able to keep them. Imagine being able to have 5, 6 women available to you, wanting to see you. Imagine being able to create intense relationships where they're all doing all the work. People, that kind of stuff does exist, people. Now, I'm not gonna promise you that you're gonna bang like 40, 50 women. I'm gonna promise you that you're gonna be able to keep the women you have, that you get with. I can promise you that keeping them will increase with this course. But let me keep showing you something. This course is pretty huge, people. It's a huge course. This course has over 50 videos, right? And some of them you could get for free. If you just sign up, you get free videos, right? But in these videos, let me show you guys the course, right? All right, guys. That's me right there, right? In this video, I pretty much teach you guys how to find your purpose, right? All this is how to find your purpose, discovering your purpose, right? I teach you guys then about female psychology, all of the principles about female psychology you guys need to understand. I then teach you guys the mindset, the proper mindset that you guys need to deal with women. After that, I teach you guys 21 videos on how to game. I mean, it's pretty much unbelievable, man. I gotta make this available, right? But it's unbelievable how many, I pretty much put everything: outer game, social circuit game, strategies, threesomes, foursomes, everything, right? And on top of that, I give you guys a few bonuses: how to overcome approach anxiety, why you can't take actions, a Dickens pattern to change your mentality, how to go from open to transitions, right? 81-minute long, people. This is like, I don't know how long this is, but this is hours, and I mean hours worth of content. And you get a 30-day money back guarantee. I mean, you without questions asked. All for $99, people. This could be around a few thousands, to be honest with you, right? But you guys get it for $99, right? All you gotta do is just go over here, purchase the course, and you'll get access to it. And if you don't like it, you could just message me and get your money back, people. Look, man, don't be hard-headed, people. Don't be hard-headed. This is the course that you guys need, right? It gives you guys everything. I cover everything. I could promise you, man, you're not gonna get a more in-depth course on how to attract women and keep them more than this. All right. Anyways, people, check it out. 30-day money back guarantee. There is no risk, and you can get the free course. You can get the free trial. The free trial are these videos that you get for free, right? You guys could just sign up. You could watch all of these videos for free, right? And you don't have to pay. All right. Anyways, I'll see you guys inside. I want to see you guys inside because, again, people, you can't lose nothing. There's a 30-day money back.